Korean actors Park Seojun and Squid Game actress Won Jian are all set to appear in the romantic Korean drama show Surely Tomorrow, which will be aired soon on Prime Video. Prime Video has announced the upcoming romantic Korean drama Surely Tomorrow, which will soon be released on the OTT streaming platform. The series features Itaewon Class actor Park Seojun and Squid Game actress Won Jian in the lead roles. Notably, Surely Tomorrow will release new episodes weekly. The show is directed by Lim Hyunip and written by Yoo Young-ga. Surely Tomorrow explores the entangled lives of Seo Jae-woo Won Jian and Lee Kyung-do Park Seojun. Early in their 20s, the couple fell in love, but they later broke up. They reconnected and tried romance once again in their late 20s, before parting ways once more. However, fate unexpectedly pulls them together. On the other hand, Kyung-do, now a journalist, was covering a sensational scandal, and Jae-woo was the wife of the man at the center of it. Despite their past and public scrutiny, their story takes an unexpected turn in the third chapter. South Korean actress Won Jian has featured in several critically acclaimed television shows in her acting career so far. Her notable television shows include DP, Squid Game, and If You Wish Upon Me. She was recently seen in the action drama thriller show Tempest alongside Jun Ji-hyun, Gang Dong-won, and Lee Mi-suk. Chronicles of Evil's actor Park Seo-jun is one of the celebrated actors in Korean cinema. He has appeared in several dramas and films. His notable projects include Fight for My Way, Midnight Runners, Parasite, and others. He was last seen in the superhero action film The Marvels in 2023. In this film, he played the role of Prince Yen. After appearing in the music video of Bang Young-guk's single I Remember, he then appeared in the television drama Dream High 2. Also read 8 most anticipated Korean dramas releasing on OTT in September.